All right, the good old 70-20-10. I think it's a very important aspect to see. Most organizations only focus on the 10% because that's formal and that's easier. Perhaps the next is 20, which is more of social learning. But I think where the rubber hits the road is 70%, where you actually do what is called on-job learning. And I think if we focus on on-job learning more, we will have talent that's ready and deployable. I think the ratio should now perhaps be looked at in a form of first the 70 and the 20 and the 10 all coupled together to make it the whole 100. I think the focus now is the whole 100 and not these three fragments. So I think it's important that as we develop our talent, we look at intertwining all these three together so that the employee or the resource is very much deployable, ready to hit the ball rolling from the first day.